Hola! Okay, so it's the day after. I could have done this last night probably, but it got to like 10 o'clock and CBA. But hopefully you can see this. That has risen. I don't know if it'll focus on it, but it's very bubbly. It's like there's loads of it compared to how much there was before, so that's good. So I think that for that amount that I made, well, you start with 200 grams of sourdough starter, 400 of water, and 600 of flour. That'll either make you make you 2 loaves of bread or 4 pizzas, I would say. So for the bread, got a bowl, right? Anything sort of this shape, big enough like that, that's good. Got a bit of cheesecloth or a tea towel or whatever. I'm going to put that in there, right? Flour that bastard up. Right, and then that'll be ready to put the bread in, which we're going to leave it to proofing. So, put some flour down on the main surface here to work with. Now, this is going to be a tricky motherfucker to deal with, but if you have, I use this, but any sort of big knife or big flat something that you can use as a tool will help you. So, here we go. Let's get this out onto the side. Yeah, birdie digging up the driveway out there. Right, get a bit of flour on there. Look how bubbly that is. Right, here we go. Quick movements. It's going to stick to your hands, but that's okay. Just do quick, swift movements. Get it out of the box. Sounds like a fucking exercise class. Okay, here we go. Right, and then you can see a big fucking piece of dough right here, right? Fucking dough, you mag. Do not mug me off, right? So, I'm going to cut this in half. Look at that, stretchy motherfucker. Alright, good. So, which bit am I going to do for the loaf? I think probably this bit. It's slightly bigger. So, can you see that? Can you see that? Yes, you can. Okay. Right. So I'm going to take this bit, look, I'm going to pull that out there, make it into this sort of shape. Now, we're going to do some folds. So, top to bottom, bottom to top, left to right, right to left. And then at this point, I'm going to sort of pick it up. And that's when I use this. Try and move this around the way a little bit. Use this to sort of push the bottom bit of itself underneath itself. So we're using this, I'm trying to develop this seam on the bottom so that it just becomes one smooth ball of dough rather than having the seam. I'm not developing the seam, I'm trying to get rid of it, that's what I meant to say. And as I do this, the surface tension of this ball of dough, you can sort of see it tightening up, and that's good because it means it will hold its shape whilst it's proofing. And that will probably do, right? I'm not going to go mad with it. So I've got my flour and stuff in there. If you wanted, you could put on some sesame seeds, although I've just realised I've run out of them. I'll put some of this on, this little herby spice mix jobber that I've got. Put some of that in there. Fine, a bit on there as well. Right, then we want to pick this up from here. Using this is probably the easiest way. And we dump it into that bowl, like that. There we go. And then I'm going to flour this. And then that gets folded up. And that goes into the fridge, just like that. I'll put that in the fridge and then either later tonight or tomorrow I'll bake it. So I'm going to put that on one side for now. Let's do another. I would normally make this into pizza, but I'm not going to. I'm going to do another one just so you can sort of see wagwan with that thing. Okay. Towel in the bowl, floured up. Right, let's get this Mama Jamma folded, top to bottom. Okay, it's very sloppy this dough. Bottom to top, left to right, and then right to left. And then we sort of triangle like this. It's very sticky, that's okay. You just need to work quickly with it. And roll it down like this. We'll put some flour down here for a second so it's got somewhere to go when it's done. Oh, weird seam forming on this one. That's okay. Alright, one more. Right, I've done more than one more. It's a hair. That's what it fucking is. Ugh. Birdie with long, rank hair. Lovely. Right, let's just get this back into shape. Okay. There we go. So I'm just going to pick this up. Actually, put it into the bowl. There we go. Going to use this flour that's on the side. Sprinkle that on that fucker. Put this over. Like that. I like to leave a little bit of space so that it's going to rise up, so don't pack it in too tightly. Because that's such a flimsy thin tea towel, just going to put another one sort of over the top of it. There we go. Right, now both of these are going to go in the fridge, and like I said, it's 10 o'clock now, so I'll let you know next time how long they've been in the fridge before I bake them.